Three, two, one. What's going on, YouTube? Hey guys. Okay, so this is kind of a weird video. I usually don't do like sound effect videos, but you know what? Recently I've been seeing a lot of like funny sound effect videos on YouTube, and so I was like, you know what? Just kind of for fun, I just sort of like doing sound effects as well. So I'm gonna try doing some sound effects here. Apologies in advance if these are really, really crappy, but I hope you enjoy. Okay, so without further ado, let's do some sound effects, people.
Hello, YouTube. This is Sound Effects by Xiaomanyc. Please subscribe.
So those are my sound effects. I'm sorry if they were really shitty, but I hope you enjoyed them anyway. Ow, my mouth really hurts now. If you did like them, though, I don't know what to say to you if you like those, but you could consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.